This is a presentation on the implementation of electronic health records. The purpose of this project is to successfully implement an electronic health record system using the tools and techniques of project management. The primary focus of project management is scheduling the sequence of activities that would efficiently accomplish the project's goals. We use Microsoft Project to aid in the implementation. The total estimated time for the project is approximately 253 days. This is based on a standard work calendar of 5 working days per week. In this project, we were asked to plan implementation of an electronic health record in an organization using the work breakdown task described here. In the following task, training on a system can only be done if the system has been configured. As you can see, there are the main tasks included in the project with their respective expected days of completion. These tasks include patient information management, clinical information system, laboratory, pharmacy, radiology, imaging, and nutrition and food service. The total project will take 253 days to complete. It will begin on Wednesday, July 1st, 2009, and will finish on Friday, June 18, 2010. Although all of these tasks must be completed, some cannot be started until others are complete. For example, the pharmacy task cannot begin until the laboratory task is complete. Additionally, the clinical information system task cannot be started until all other 6 tasks are complete. With each task, there are subtasks that must be completed. Shown here is the patient information management task with each of its subtasks. These include admission, discharge, and transfer, patient registration, enterprise master patient index, and patient scheduling, as well as the training for some of these tasks. Note that the training for each subtask cannot begin until the completion of configuration for that subtask. For example, training for admission, discharge, and transfer will begin on Thursday, August 20th, after the completion of the configuration of admission, discharge, and transfer on Wednesday, August 19th. The task patient information management will take 41 days to complete and can begin as soon as the project begins, since it is not dependent on any other task. The second task is clinical information systems. This is the most complicated task of them all. As you can see here, it has many subtasks to be configured before it can be completed. This task is expected to take 119 days to complete and cannot begin until all other tasks have been completed. This task will finish the same day the entire project finishes, on Friday, June 18, 2010. The third task is a laboratory, with 3 subtasks including anatomic pathology, microbiology, and chemistry. This task will take approximately 35 days to complete and cannot begin until task patient information management is complete. The fourth task is pharmacy and is shown here along with its subtasks. The pharmacy task is expected to be completed in 58 days but cannot begin until the laboratory task is complete. Within the subtask, you can also see that predecessors are required. For example, electronic medication administration record cannot begin until the subtask inpatient-outpatient pharmacy is complete. The fifth task, radiology, is shown here with the subtask general radiology and nuclear medicine. It is expected to be completed in 35 days but cannot be completed until the patient information management task is complete. The sixth task is imaging, as you see here with the 2 subtasks of clinical image viewer and document imaging, as well as the training for each. The imaging task is expected to take 11 days to complete. The final task is nutrition and food service. This task is expected to take 11 days to complete and cannot begin until the task patient information management is complete. During this project, technology was essential in creating the schedule based on the tasks given. Microsoft Project software allowed us to organize complex tasks into an efficient means to achieve our goals. By creating the schedule, it also allowed us to detail configurations and training for each task and subtask. We were able to see which tasks needed to be completed in what order and which tasks were predecessors and had to be configured before any other task could begin. Overall, planning and mapping out a schedule based on the 7 tasks gave us a solid understanding of the time frame in which we were working and how long each individual task would take to complete in comparison to the overall project. This project demonstrates that project management is an activity that can help accomplish goals efficiently.